Roofing news for April 30th, 2019. Hi, my name is David Clausen, and each day I go through hundreds of videos and articles so you learn everything new in the roofing industry in less than 5 minutes. So subscribe to the channel. And we have a lot of shingles today. First off, F-Wave Revias synthetic roofing shingles. Pretty cool demo. They at 85 miles per hour, they throw some hail at it and they show how it can be repaired in the heat. Here is their website. Welcome to the roofing revolution. So if anybody has worked with it, love to hear some comments below. And I always put the links to the website and full video so you can view the whole information. All right, the next one came from Roofing Foil, metal and tile roof underlayment and radiant barrier all in one. And here they say, learn more about installing the best-selling roofing foil radiant barrier under a roof with an airspace block of 97%. So they tend to work down in Florida, but you might want to check out the product, roofingfoil.com. Cool looking slate, green stone slate. They have a video of, just came out. Here is their website, greenstone slate from Vermont. So you might want to add that to the shingles that you offer. GAF came out with a brand new installation video,
And when you're
plus an example or demo of a commercial system install. Dimitri, leaf filter gutter guards and the costs. Talks about what's a good price to get for a leaf filter gutter system. Chad from from insurance restoration training packs in a lot of info on how to do an exterior damage inspection, and he also has a video about a leak in a motel that he was at. And great way to finish it off with Becca Switzer and Tom Brady and bringing value. So check that one out on how you can do more with your business. And if you want to really do more with your business, you can give me a call. I'm a authorized dealer with Roofing Webmasters. Make sure to check out my video, Why Every Roofer Needs the Roofing Webmasters. Watch it and call me at 303-519-6353. And that is the news for April 30th, 2019. And once again, make sure to subscribe. Have a great day, roofing. Take care. Bye-bye.